Hey fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the seated cable row, a powerful exercise for building a strong and sculpted back. Stick around as we guide you through the proper form, step by step. Find a cable machine and attach a straight bar or V-bar attachment to the cable. Adjust the seat height so that when you sit down, the handles are in line with your chest. Sit down on the bench, ensuring your chest is up, shoulders are back, and your back is straight. Place your feet flat on the platform and grasp the handles with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Take a deep breath, engage your core and pull the handles towards your torso by retracting your shoulder blades. Keep your elbows close to your body and ensure your back remains straight throughout the movement. At the peak of the movement, squeeze your back muscles, feeling the contraction. This is crucial for fully engaging the muscles and getting the most out of each repetition. With control, extend your arms, fully stretching your back muscles. Avoid letting the weight stack slam down. Keep the movement controlled for continuous tension on your back. Perform the desired number of repetitions. Exhale as you pull the handles towards you and inhale as you release them back. Focus on maintaining proper form for optimal results. There you have it, the seated cable row. An excellent exercise for building a strong and defined back. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep rowing strong and stay fit.